In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Onedite function on Google Sheets. The Onedite function is not a normal spreadsheet formula. It is a trigger in Google Apps Script that runs automatically every time someone edits your spreadsheet. The E part is the event object. It carries details about the edit, like which cell changed and what the value was before and after. That event information is what makes onEdit so useful for automation. For a simple example, we will set things up so anything typed into column A is handled consistently, such as being converted to uppercase as soon as it is entered. This kind of setup is common for keeping names, IDs, or labels clean and standardized. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Once you are in the spreadsheet, go to the top menu and click Extensions. From that menu, click App Script. This opens the App Script editor in a new tab, where you can write the code that will run when edits happen. In the App Script editor, look at the file list on the left, and click the default script file, which is often named something like untitled.gs. This is where you will paste or type your onEdit function. Click into the code area near the top, around the opening comment section. Then scroll or click near the bottom where the closing curly brace is. The idea here is to place your cursor so you can insert or replace the sample code with your own onEdit function, and make sure the function starts and ends correctly. After that, return to your Google Sheet and click to highlight the cells you plan to affect, such as the area in column A where people will enter values. Highlighting helps you stay oriented while you test, so you can clearly see which cells are changing. Click to highlight again as needed to confirm you are working in the right spot. Then type your test value into the highlighted cell. As soon as you enter the value, the onEdit trigger is what will run your script automatically in the background, applying the behavior you coded, like converting text to uppercase. If it does not run the first time, double-check that you are editing the spreadsheet directly and that your function name is exactly onEdit, with the event parameter included as onEdit. That covers everything you need to know.